So what's up my people, it's about is Weekend here once again with another update. So this particular update is about this particular project which OKS Web3 wallet actually tweeted about, the one that I said that was echoed in this particular screenshot. So we are going to make this particular, I'm about to make a video review on how to participate in this particular airdrop, and I use this particular screenshot to show you guys that the airdrop is real, since OKS actually made it in their tweet along with the universe and other airdrop which we actually did recently. And all you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to this particular airdrop. But first of all, try your best to join my WhatsApp group if you have not joined it, because that is where I drop updates even before coming over to YouTube, because this video I'm going to drop it later along, but as for now the update is already on my WhatsApp group as I'm making this video. So what you have to do is to first of all follow the link in the description of this video, and then make sure you are using Kiwi or Mrs. browser. These two browsers are the browser that can help you to have wallet extensions, something like MetaMask wallet extension and other extensions you need as a crypto airdrop hunter. So for me, I'm using Mrs. browser. So first thing I have to do once I got to this interface is to click on connect wallet. So automatically it's going to give me a series of wallets to connect. So I'm going to select this. So sorry for that. I'm actually going to use this my OKS wallet, because there is no option to use MetaMask there. So I'm going to use my OKS wallet. So this is the OKS. I'm going to enter the site over here right now. So next thing I have to do is to click on connect wallet once I reach here. So as you can see, there is OKS as an option here. So I'm going to use my OKS. So I've connected my OKS wallet. So they are going to ask me for invite code. Remember, you must use the invite code, and all these things are being provided in my WhatsApp group. So if you're not in my WhatsApp, don't worry, the referral code is going to be in the description of this video and in my WhatsApp chat group also. That is one good reason you need to join my WhatsApp group. And I've entered the referral code of the person that invited me. So next thing I have to do is to click on confirm over here, and as you can see, I have actually succeeded in an account. So there is one thing you need to do which is very let's call it one of the last thing you have to do now, and you have to be doing it daily, is to click on this particular place that says authorize, and you'll be earning 1,000 points every single day. Remember, you are going to be doing all these things in your Solana network. So just try your best to verify it. So I've just verified my own, and as you can see, I have authorized today's points and I've gotten 1,000 points for today. So this is it. You can be doing it every single day and every single day. The airdrop is easy and is as easy as easy. So now, for the record, try your best and use OKS wallet for easy access to all these things, and make sure you are using Solana network for it. And last but not least, try your best to log in every single day to receive your daily 1,000 points. So let's see how this thing goes, and let's see how far we are going to do from it. So this video is not going to be long because there is nothing much to it. This is my first video on the project, and if there is any other thing, I'm going to update you guys. And this is the reason why you need to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more updates like this. And I think I've given you guys all the updates you need. We are waiting for OpenES withdrawal and every other thing that follows it, both including over wallets and other things that follows it. So try your best to subscribe for more updates like this, because I drop new crypto mining updates whenever I have it. So this is it. Well, anyway, my name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. And no, I forgot, if you can refer, try your best to copy your referral link, just like I'm going to do it on my own. Copy your referral link and send it to your downliners anywhere you can get referral. Copy your referral link and your referral code. Teach them about the project. You can send my videos to them. You can do anything for you to get referrals. And once you get it to them, once they impute your referral code, you're going to get the bonus points as referral code. So that is it. See you guys. Bye.